So in my last video, I got a lot of comments and you guys were saying that you really like the eye look, but it's really tricky for some of you to do that. So today I'm going to show a very easy eye look, and it's a trick that you can do. So today I'll be using a pink eyeshadow, and on top of it I'll be using a pink top coat glitter. So it's really easy. I'm going to use this pink shade right here. This is a very old palette from Lakme Absolute, and I have this since ages. So you take a little bit, dab up the excess, and just take it all over your eyelids, Don't worry about the mistakes you make. You can go back and fix it. You can use your pink lipstick or any other pink eyeshadow that you have, and just flick it out a little bit. So this is the top coat I'll be using. It's Scattered Light and it's in the shade Reflect. It's from Hourglass. I absolutely love this glitter eyeshadow. You can use this with your fingers as well, but today I'll be using a flat eyeshadow brush. You take a little bit on the eyeshadow brush and you just apply it because it will give that precision. It's aptly named Reflect, and the amount of reflection it gives. I have hooded eyes, so I won't be going over that fold of my eyelid, so I won't be going over that. You can go according to your eye shape. And this glitter, it's not over the top, but it'll just amp up any look. It's a perfect evening look and anybody can do it. Absolutely love it. Just go back to that pink eyeshadow and add a little bit of depth. Take a clean brush and just blend it off. And take a smaller brush. This trick just binds your eye look together. Always keep your concealer brush near you and you can clean it up. If you see you have added a lot of pigment or you want to clean that bit up, just use your concealer brush and wipe off the excess. And to define it a little bit more, I'll be using a brown kohl pencil. This is from MAC and it's called Eye Pencil and it's in the shade Coffee. I'll be using it, I don't know what it is called, Tight Line. Mascara is from Catrice. It's called Glam and Doll. It's really inexpensive and I feel it gives me that volume. I don't use falsies, so I need a bit mascara. And make them fluttery.